Don't got no one that back calling me splurge. Let me jump right off the curb. Make this man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third.
What's up? Another day, another donut. And I'm hungry for some bread. What's filming there? And I'm hungry for some bread, so let's get straight into it. So clearly, I cannot put myself on the video because allegedly.
When you have to cut that out.
Allegedly, I'm not wearing anything. Right. So currently, this is the market on gold that I'm currently waiting for. This is the move I'm waiting for. So basically, let's start on the 5-minute time frame. Very quick, very simple, very easy. So we see if an order block right here. So okay, that order block, we see it has nothing to do with anything. And then we further move to the 15-minute time frame. Right. When the market moved to the 15-minute time frame, it changed character, right there. We can clearly see the change of character on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute. So cool, we see it there. And then furthermore, what we see is it creates liquidity right here. So it sweeps buy side. Now I'm waiting for sell side to be swept because it didn't quite come into the order block, but the fair value gap. So I'm waiting for this fair value gap for this week to be swept, for the sell side liquidity to be swept. And then we target break even. We'll move the SL to break even right there. And then we target a 1:5. Take profit right there. We have to hold it until it gets there. Understand? So that's the market right now. Ish, man, that's the market. I actually saw this move at around 6 a.m. and I just went back to sleep. So right now we're back and we're waiting for it, man. We're waiting for it. Price is creeping. Huh. What the price is creeping to my entry point right there. So let's wait. Sell side is about to be taken. Sell side is about to be taken. It's about to be taken. Just needed to sweep right here and then switch up, and then we could look for second entries above this high. So like the market sweeps below and then breaks above the structure, we'll be looking for second entries. We could place a buy limit right here and then SL on the low to have created. So yeah, we could do that. It's my mouse sometimes. It's unresponsive. Okay. So basically what I said is something like this, right? So we could enter a buy stop right here and then we let the market run with it, something like that. But for now, well, I thought it was going to hit, you could enter the, what do you call this, my zone right now, but this shit's taking a while. Well, it doesn't really matter. It was just, we are patient with it. Let's see. Okay, finally, it's in now. Whew. Okay. Come on, man. Give us our first W of the day, of the week. Anyway, I'll come back later after, let's say, 30 minutes. And we'll see how it would have performed, man. We'll check that later. You know what? If I lose this trade, I'm fasting. That's what will happen. If I lose this trade, I'm fasting. Because ain't no way. Bruh. This is like the A+ setup that I usually wait for. What the fuck? Ain't no way. Yeah, I won't eat. Yeah. Shit. But Mondays have been good though, man. Mondays have been treating me good for the past month now. So it'll be a bummer for this one to flip. But yeah, what can I say? It's taking a while, like shit. Like look at that retracement. But shit. Ah. Come on, man. Why? Okay, that's what I wanna see. What can you do for me? Yeah, we just need to see a close above here. That's all we need right now. We just need to see a close above there. Let's not break the Monday win streak, man. Let's not break the Monday win streak. Let's not break it. I'm sure it'll be 4 for 4 now. It'll be 4 for 4. 4 trades on Mondays, like this month. All W's. Let's see. That's a steep retracement, bro. Very steep. Shit. Let's keep the Monday W's, man. Let's keep the Monday W's. I love what I'm seeing. Let me see if on the 5 minute there's a structure. Shit, I love this. I actually like how it did, man. Like, what? I'm shook. I love how this push, and it just opened like 5-6 minutes ago. Yeah, no. So what we're going to do is wait for a structure change, market structure shift right above here, and then I'm sure on the next candle it will either create a fair value gap and then break structure, or yeah, that's the likely scenario. I don't know. Yeah, that's the likely scenario. Create a fair value gap. There will be an inverse fair value gap right here, and then I guess we'll enter on the inverse. We scale more. Going to enter more trades. So let's see. We just need to let it run, but I just needed to have like a big push so that I am confident enough that the inverse fair value gap is doable. But of course, I do need a structure change right here. I do need that. So let's give it a minute. Oh man, I love seeing this. Monday W's, man. Monday W's. Let's go. Target a 1:5. But let me see when the 1:3 is. So 1:3.
Ecstasy wanna fulfill it. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Givers my only decision. Don't got no money, they calling me splurge. Why me jump right? Make this spread fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, don't keep my word.
Insane, like
I don't know what you heard.
shit, you know what I know? Yeah, nah, we're getting these accounts out of Drawdown, definitely, for sure. I'm about to enter some more. Yeah, it's 1785. Yeah, definitely, we want this. Ooh, yeah. I'm gonna enter more. It's how much? Basically $90. So I'll be roughly at 800. Ooh, yes, man. I need to get these accounts out of Drawdown, bro. I need to get out of Drawdown. So I guess second entry is right here. Okay, so it's moving. It's really pushing high with aggression. Let me say, it's really pushing. So it goes above here, we're placing break even. So break even will be below this low. Shit. Yeah, man. Caught this by. Look at that sniper. account is getting out of drawdown and we're getting a payout, man. We are getting a fucking payout. Yeah. 50. Okay. That's okay. So let's just let it run, man. Now this week we are finishing it. Okay. Yeah.
Which funded next to you?
Okay. Yo, I don't know what's pushing the market like this, bro. It's moving. Like what? We're approaching break even, and then 1:3. 1:3 is at this line right here. It's moving, bro. I don't know whether it will do this and come back to this order block or it will just fly. I think it is retraced quite enough. I don't know, I have no idea. But if it is to do so, I've placed buy limits, buy orders right here. But it's moving, man. It's just moving. Approaching buy here. And this is the market right there. How much is it? 33. We caught this buy, man. That's insane. Caught it in the week. Literally. Bottom wicket. That's insane. So we are targeting that high. And we'll see what the market is after that. Shit. Ain't nothing else to do now. Okay, so I am done, gents. I am done trading. No more micromanaging the trade. No more touching it. No more anything now. There is nothing to do. Then leave it. It's time to just leave the market now. As soon as it touches break even, there is nothing to do. Okay, because if it break even, move to the SL, trade to the SL. Placed more buys right here. Because I do think, or at least I'm hoping it comes back for this one though. But if it doesn't, it is what it is. So check your gents. I'll come back later when this trade is played out. Monday W's, man. Monday W's. So it's been a while in this trade. And we did move. What is this? We did close half of profits right at this. We just failed to get to 1:3, but this was it. So we did move the SL to break even as well. So we hit break even and moved the profits. And right now I'm assuming, or I'm expecting it to drop a little bit further right here because it made a change of character. And okay, let's do it on another chart, right? So basically, if you go into 30-minute time frame, this is what is presented to us. Right at this 30-minute, we have an order block right here, the most extreme order block, and then this is our entry. So I placed more entries right there. I'll take her. So we have more entries right there. Still targeting that high. No matter how many times it retraces back down. Still targeting that high. And then perhaps maybe I can also do a 1:3 with this one. So let's try 1:3 first. Hold on, my mouse, bro. 1:3 first. So it's roughly around here. So 1:3 right there. And then the rest of the trade, we target the rest of the trade right there. So the bet is in it being coming back. The trade is it coming back to this extreme order block. So this is the trade. Monday is quite slow. It's quite slow, but price action is pretty clean. Is rather clean. So this is rather acceptable. So I'll update you guys later, man. But the trade is moving just fine. Okay, so we had end report again. That order block I was talking about. So now this is the final push we need. This has to be the final. The final. Okay, I'm simply done trading today. I don't know if it's going to hit TP today, tomorrow, right now, later. I don't know. I don't care. I've closed partials, man. So whatever has to happen now, let it happen. Whatever has to happen now, let it happen, man. See you guys tomorrow. Another video is dropping tomorrow, 9 a.m. Be on watch. Alright, so I didn't plan on updating you guys on this, but as I was editing the video, I just thought I should come back to the market and look at this. It's currently 7 minutes after 11 right now, and the market only missed us up with about $2, bro. 76 to 78. $2 to hit our take profit, and it went back to our entry point. But then now, guess what? The moment it went to our entry point, look at this. What do you see? Before I even start to talk about this, what do you guys see? I see another entry. I spotted this order block, so I have to go on a higher time frame, I think. Okay, it was on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, 1 hour instead. See how on the 1 hour it's looking like that order block right there. You see how it's looking like this one, right? So I was like, okay, the market has to buy from there. So I entered a few buys here, and it took me out eventually. So I was like, okay, I'll wait on the 15-minute time frame on the extreme order block to see if I'll find a confirmation, and for sure I did. On the 5-minute time frame, there we go. This is a second chance for me to enter, bro. Like, if I deposit it right now again, I could enter, understand, and make the money I was intended to make today. So right here, swept liquidity, changing character right to this line that I placed right here, and it left the fair value gap. But however, I'm not going to wait for that retracement on the fair value gap. The difference is only like from my entry point at 33.66 to 33.64. It's only $2, bro. So like, I'm going to enter. I am going to enter. So let's see how it goes. You see, so entry point is right, so it's a buy stop, and then stop loss right below this low, and then we are going to let it run. Simple as that. All the way back to TP. TP is going to be hit. We are not waiting. Oh, forgot to mention trend line support as well. We have trend line support right here as well, right there, resistance. And another thing that made me realize that the buy might be valid. We have buy side and sell side liquidity. Buy side was taken right here, sell side was taken next, and this is just trend line liquidity that is left. So we are still targeting that high, and I've entered. So the only thing I'm waiting for right now is market open. As you can see, the market is not moving. As you can see right there, there is no movement in the market. So the market is closed. So we are going to wait. And shout out to Monday Blues, bro. Monday Blues. Let's go. So see you tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow, same time, 9 a.m. Be on watch.